Okay, let's talk about these shoes from Color. I designed these myself, and I am obsessed with how these turned out. I just think that it's so cool that you can go to their website and create your own design. They also have other shoe types that you can choose from, but this is the one that I chose. And it even allows you to choose colors for every part of the shoe. So you can choose the lining, the laces, the sole, and so much more. It made me feel like I was a professional designer, and I just had a lot of fun picking and choosing different colors and making a shoe that I knew was 100% unique. I also really like that these are handmade with premium high quality materials like Italian leather, suede, cotton, wool, and fur. Not to mention their shipping was super fast. I am in love with how these turned out, and I definitely plan to try out some of their other styles and play around with more of their color combinations. I highly recommend you checking them out and expressing your creative side like I did.